Welcome to Howie's Kitchen. Are you looking for some comfort food? Today we're doing grilled cheese. And no, this is not your mama's grilled cheese. Before we get started, you want to put a skillet over medium heat on the stove. So now in a medium bowl, you want to take about 2 ounces of cream cheese softened. I actually put this in the microwave, got a little bit more melted than I would have liked. But that's okay. And to this, we're gonna add about a half a cup of shredded mozzarella and about a half a cup of shredded cheddar cheese. We're gonna add in about a third of a cup of mayonnaise. Got about a 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder and a 1/4 teaspoon of seasoning salt. And we wanna get this mixed very well. All right, so now that we've got this mixed together, we're gonna spread this evenly over 2 slices of bread. I'm using sourdough bread today. Really use any bread of your choice. I prefer something like a sourdough or like a crunchy, crusty Italian or something like that. And then what we're gonna wanna do here, just flip these over, as you can imagine. And we're gonna brush the top side here with a little bit of melted butter, and we'll just continue waiting for our skillet to heat up. All right, so with our skillet heated up, I'm gonna go ahead and drop the first one in here. And then you wanna brush the other side. So I'm gonna let this cook for up to 5 minutes or so, or actually really we just wanna get it browned. And you want the mixture inside to melt just a little bit. So we'll come back and we'll let you see what it looks like when we get it flipped over. All right, so this is what we're going for. Just a nice kind of a golden brown on the outside of the bread here. We'll give this another few minutes on the other side and we should be good to go. All right, now let's take a look here. Oh, look at that, will ya? That is some oozy deliciousness right there. Now, I don't know how you guys like to eat your grilled cheese, but to me, nothing goes with grilled cheese better than a tomato soup. So we've got tomato soup with fresh basil right out of our garden. Here you go, folks, the ultimate grilled cheese. Enjoy.